plaque on a big rock on the shores of Mendenhall Lake. It shows our Romeo and says, the spirit of Juno's friendly black wolf lives on in this wild place. And it is a wild place still. The skiers still cross the frozen water in winter. The woods are still dark and mysterious and silent. The glacier still cracks and calves and inexorably still recedes. Our town is still huddled between the sea and the mountains. We see eagles, whales, bears, sea lions, wolves sometimes. Sometimes we see wolves. And we huddle in our warm houses with all the accoutrements of the modern world. But we have the memory of a messenger creature who once came out of that wild and offered us a kind of truce, offered us a sort of friendship, a friendship. We cannot pretend to understand what it meant, nor understand him, but the experience changed us somehow. Romeo, the black wolf, ooch.